Hey, it's Angry Admin here from angrysysop.com, and today I came across this issue. I am upgrading one of the vCenters from version 6.7 to 7.0, and as you can see I'm on the wizard page when I have to choose the deployment size. However, I cannot change the deployment size or storage size. I would like to choose medium. There's no option for me to do. So this is a known bug and VMware should resolve that bug, but as far as the KB goes, it was updated this month actually, and it's still no resolution. There is few sources online you can find where it shows how to shrink your environment after deployment, but just remember, none of the methods is officially supported by VMware. However, we have one method which I will show you now. If you're ready, please click on the like and subscribe to my channel, and I will show you that right away. Okay, so you liked, you subscribed, that's great. One more thing, also I am doing giveaway. I have two Dell Technologies Proven Professional exam vouchers to give away. For more details, go to my blog angrysysop.com, and there's a competition section and you will see what to do to get those two vouchers. Okay, now let's go and check the solution. As you can see, we are on the upgrade stage 1 and deployment size cannot be changed. We have to cancel that out. Okay, so we cancel and instead upgrade, we do the install new vCenter. Let's do it. Okay, next. You have to agree. Now we need to fill out the details. So the vCenter which we want to host our vCenter, of course the admin credentials, we click next. We connect to the vCenter. Now we choose the folder we want to have it in. So just a few moments. Okay, let's click next. Now, cluster, next. Now we need to specify the VM name for the new vCenter. Just give it like a temporary name and set up the root password. Click next. And now we are able to choose the deployment size. Okay, we go for medium. We will choose a data store. Okay, once we choose the data store, let's click next. Now we need to configure network settings. Once we have all those details, click next, and we are ready to finish our deployment. And let's click finish. And we are waiting for stage 1 to be completed. I will speed up the video, but in the meantime, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and check my giveaway competition. Okay, I'll be back in a few seconds. Okay, and we're back and we see that stage 1 is completed now. So we are taking the IP address of it and we go to VANI. We need to confirm password. And now, as you can see, we have all the options as an installer. But for the stage 2, we go for an upgrade. So we click upgrade. And click next, and we are going to fill out all those informations. So few moments please. So in here you're giving a source vCenter, and the password for a single sign-on, like administrator at vCenter.local. And here is a root password for VAMI. And again, here we put our vCenter, the old one, and again administrator. Administrator at local at vCenter.local, and the password for administrator. Click next. So once we're waiting for this, you not only has a solution, but if you're doing the first time, it's kind of a tutorial how to upgrade your environment also. In the meantime, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget about my giveaway competition, which you can read everything about on my blog angrysysops.com. Okay, we see that pre-check is done. There's a few warnings that some plugins may not work. We know already about this one. And I have a look very quickly. That's okay, that's okay. We can close and we can proceed. Now, let's configure what we want. Configuration and inventory, or configuration, inventory, task and events, or everything. I will do the everything. And we see that the partition has only 2.6 gigabytes and we need the 10 gigabytes. So for solution for that problem, I have an article on my blog, angrysysops.com. Have a look over there and you will find out how to resolve it. Okay, let's proceed. I don't want to join for now. I'm ready to comply. I have backup the database and everything. Finish. And we get this warning that the source vCenter will be shut down once the network configuration is enabled on the destination vCenter server. Click OK to continue. Yes. And now the process starts. It will take a while, so I will just pause the video and I will see you once it's done. Okay, and it looks like the vCenter has been finished. The configuration is finished, so let's see if that was success. So let's try to log into the old vCenter. So let's check if that has been upgraded properly, and we have our vCenter version 7. So there you are, guys. That's how it works. This is your workaround for that particular issue, and you have a guide how to update your vCenter. This is kind of safe procedure, because if this wouldn't work, then we can always power on the old vCenter and restore it. That's everything for what I have for you today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget about giveaway. Again, the all details are on my blog angrysysops.com, and see you in the next video. Bye!